Umengameli ulinde umzuzu wokugcina ngomgcibelo ebusuku ukuthi alethe ihlelo lakhe azokusebenzela phezulu kwalo ePalamende. Kodwana ngemva kokulumo yakhe yesitjhaba yayizolo lapha athinde khona nendlela zokulwisana nobukhohlakali kunye nokuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso Iinhlangano eziphikisako zepolotiki azikaneliseki.
The president didn't mention not even a single minister that will be fired from his cabinet that has been fingered in the Zondo Commission. He didn't mention a single thing about how he will bolster law enforcement agencies to make sure that people who steal public money are held accountable.
Correcting this juggernaut is going to take time, but however, it's a starting point, and we just do hope that even Parliament and the executive will see the need to beef up the capacity of our prosecuting authorities and have special courts to deal with these issues of corruption.
President Ramaphosa did not announce any practical steps which he will take to ensure that the recommendations of the Zondo Commission be implemented in practice. He referred to the Special Investigating Unit as well as the National Prosecuting Authority. The fact of the matter is that those are existing structures and it was no deterrent to prevent corruption in the COVID-19 tenders.
I expected an announcement that there will be something similar to a treason trial, as over 1,000 entities from the state and private sectors involved. Along with that, we expected that the president will announce that he will use some of the windfall treasury has to provide substantial resources to further investigate and prosecute.
iPalamende ithi izibophelele ngokupheleleko ukuqinisekisa bona iimphakamiso zekomishini ziyaphumelela. Ithi ezinye indaba ezifuna amagadango wePalamende sele zidluliselwe phambili kamanye amaziko afaneleko wePalamende.
Parliament will begin a process of scrutinizing the details of the plan as well as overseeing through its oversight instruments its implementation.
Iinhlangano zepolotiki zithi njenganje sele kuzokuya ngePalamende ukuthi iyayidlala na indima yayo eqinisekiseni ukuthi imphathimandla ziyaziphendulela.